So this is how the iPhone SE4 might look in hands. This is a mock-up phone used by phone case manufacturers to create accurate phone cases. And someone has leaked this mock-up video which matches what we saw in the previous renders. Additionally, we also have information on when the iPhone SE4 might launch and its specifications. First of all, let's talk about the design. The mockup shows that the back of the phone is similar to the iPhone XR with a horizontal camera setup, and on the front we see Apple's legendary notch. The phone also comes with a new action button as seen in the iPhone 15 series and has flat sides. Overall, Apple has tried to make the SE phone similar to what I would call the iPhone 14 with a single back camera. However, the big surprise is the single camera. A few days ago, the roadmap for Apple's product launch date was leaked, revealing details about the SE4. The iPhone SE4 will feature a 48 megapixel sensor. Yes, you heard it right, Apple plans to include this high-resolution sensor in the SE4, although it is still unclear whether it will be from the iPhone 14 Pro or 15 Pro. According to the industry sources, we can confirm that the iPhone SE4 will have a 6.1 inches display size. This is a big upgrade over the iPhone SE 5G's 4.7 inches display with a home button. Regarding this, recently Mac Rumors has posted that Apple is negotiating with OLED suppliers for the next-gen iPhone SE4. It has been reported that Samsung Display, BOE and Tianma have submitted their proposed prices for the OLED panels for the iPhone SE4. This means the display work for the SE4 has begun. It is worth noting that previous iPhone SE models have all utilized the LCD displays. Moving on, the roadmap also revealed that Apple is aiming to release the iPhone SE4 in 2025. Yes, I know it's a long way off, but who knows, Apple might just surprise us sooner with the SE4 given all the leaks and rumors circulating. To make this report even stronger, back in September, Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo stated that the iPhone SE4 would feature a 6.1 inches OLED panel, aligning with this new mock-up video that the upcoming budget price iPhone would adopt the design elements from the iPhone 14. Kuo also predicted that the iPhone SE4 will introduce Apple's own 5G modem chip, potentially replacing Snapdragon's 5G modem chip currently used in the regular iPhone models. So what do you think of this iPhone SE4? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.